Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is our today's question on LeetCode, and this question is basically daily challenge on 10 September, and the question is count all valid pickup and delivery options. So we will read this question first and we'll try to figure out how we can solve this question. So given n orders, each order consists in pickup and delivery services. So basically we are having n orders, okay, and each order has pickup and delivery services. Okay, count all valid slash delivery possible sequences such that delivery I is always after pickup I. So basically we have to count number of sequence of pickup and delivery such that the ith delivery is always after ith pickup, and you can see that the answer can be very large, so we have to return it by doing modulo with this number. So let us have a closer view for the inputs. So let's say we are having n is equal to 2. So for n is equal to 2 we have total of 2 pairs. So I will write here uh, we have a total of 2 pairs of services. Okay, so that's why we have total of 4 choice. Okay, so we have total of 4 places here. So that's why we have total 4 places. Okay, and 4 places for 2 places for delivery 1 and pickup 1, and 2 places for delivery 2 and pickup 2. So we in this way there are 4 places. So what we can do, let's say we are talking about pickup 1. So basically we have to first uh, place pickup 1, and then we have to place pickup delivery 1. Okay, so for each pair of pickup and delivery, pickup should be placed first. Okay, so for pickup 1, so what we can do, let's say the pickup 1 is placed on the first place. Okay, so if we place it here, okay, so we are left with 3 choice of delivery 1. So if pickup 1 is placed at position 1, so we have total 3 choices for delivery 1. Okay, so you can see that these are 3 choices, so I will write here. So the possible choices for delivery are this and this one. Okay, so because delivery is always after pickup. Okay, so let us consider if a place of pickup is somewhere on position 2. So if we place pickup on this position, so we have 2 choices. So similarly, if pickup 1 is placed at pos 2, we have 2 choices. Okay, for delivery 1, so we have 2 choices for delivery 1, and similarly for pos 3 we have a total of 1 choice for delivery 1, and if pos 4, so total we have no choice. Okay, so you can see that for pickup 1 you can see that there are 4 places in total. So total possible choices for this case is nothing but, you can see that total possible choices is nothing but uh, it is 3 plus 2 plus 1. So I will write here it is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 6. Okay, so for this case for pickup 1 we are having 4 places, and corresponding to it we are having 6 choice. Okay, so let's say we put pickup 1 on any position and pick delivery 1 on any another position. So let's say these two position has been occupied by pickup 1 and delivery 1. So what we can see that the places, total number of places is decreased by this 2 number. Okay, because these 2 positions has been occupied. So what we'll do, we will again solve for pickup 2. We will solve for so for pickup 2 we are having only 2 choices. Okay, we have having total of 2 places. So what we can do, so for pickup 2 our total places are reduced by 2. Okay, and if we will solve similarly for pickup 2, okay, that is we will add these numbers. Okay, and you can see that 3 plus 2 plus 1 is nothing but 4 multiply 4 minus 1 upon 2. Okay, you can see that. So 4 is nothing but total place, and 4 multiply 4 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but total number of possible pairs or possible uh, total number of sequence for pickup 1. Okay, so for pickup 2 our total place is reduced by 2, so our total place is reduced by 2, so number of places is nothing but 2. So again for this case we will have 2 multiply 2 minus 1 divide by 2. So you can see that it is equal to 2 into okay, it is equal to 2. Okay, and so total of two, sorry, it is equal to 1, so total of one choice. Okay, and again for pickup 3. Okay, so you can see that there are two pickup services. Okay, n is equal to 2, so we will solve for 2 times. Okay, so basically what we will do, we will have a for loop. We will uh, run this operation, n times. Okay, and in this way we will solve the question, and you can see that the total number of possible number of sequence can be very large numbers, so we will take modulo. So we will take modulo as instructed in question. So let us try to code this question. So what we can do, so for at first I will have a mod. So mod is nothing but 1 e to the power 9 plus 7. They have given us 10 to the power 9 plus 7. Okay, and let's say I am having our answer, long answer, or total sequence. Okay, so total sequence, it will be initialized by 1, and what we'll do, we will just iterate over all n services. So for auto for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and for each service we will have total number of sequence for particular service. So I will have integer uh, service 1. Okay, so for service 1, what can I have? I can have place, so I will declare int total place is nothing but 2 multiply by n, so 2 multiply by n. Okay, so these are the total place, and for service 1 you can see that total for any service. So for any service, so let's say service I, so service I, for service I, how many possible combination of possible sequences are with us. So I have discussed here, they are total 4 into 4 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so basically places minus multiply places minus 1 divide by 2. So total places multiply by total places minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so total places I have to write here places. Yeah, and yeah, that's it, and we have to multiply this number in our answer. So basically our answer or total sequence will be nothing but total sequence multiply by service I, and we will take modulo, so percent mod. So finally what we will do, we will just return our total sequence. Okay, so we will return our total sequence. So let us see whether the code works or not. So there is some kind of error here, so I will try to. Okay, so I have not I have already told that we have to reduce that number of total places by 2 after each iteration, because it is going to reduce. So total places should be decreased by 2 after each iteration. This is because two places has been occupied by this service I. Okay, so by this service I, two places has been occupied, so we'll reduce total places by 2. So let us try to run this code again. So here you can see that all the test cases are passing, and let us see for main cases. So yeah, all the main cases are also passing, and you can see that we are beating 100% of C++ users. So I will again try to explain this code. So basically for each pickup service, let's say total number of places is places. Okay, so you can see that for pickup 1 we have 4 places, so corresponding to it we can have 3 plus 2 plus 1, total of 6 choices. Okay, or 6 possible uh, sequences of position. So you can see that 6 is nothing but 3 plus 2 plus 1, and it can be written as 4 multiply 4 minus 1 upon 2. Okay, it is total places multiply total places minus 1 upon 2, or you can see that it is sum of integers from 1 to total places minus 1. So I will write here, it is sum of integers from 1 to places minus 1. So we can find out it. So for this what our if we want to find out total sum of all integers from 1 to a particular number, so here a particular number is places minus 1, so we can find it. So you can see that sum is nothing but places. So our integer is our endpoint is places minus 1, so places minus 1 multiply by places minus 1 plus 1 divide by 2. So you can see that places minus 1 plus 1 is nothing but places, so that's what I have used here. So total places multiply total places minus 1 upon 2, so these two things are exactly same. And you can see that here two places are occupied with by service I. So since two places are occupied, we have to reduce the total places by 2, so that's what we have done here. Total places is decreased by 2, and here we have written total number of sequences. So in this way we have solved this question. So I hope you understood my solution, and if you like my solution, if you like my code, you can like my video also. And if you have any kind of doubt regarding this question, or if you want to share any another approach for this question, you can write in comment section also. And if you want to see some more videos like this, you can subscribe my channel, and the code link will be present in description. Thank you.